Hey guys, I'm here to introduce a brand new product from Z1 Off-Road, the Steering Light Bracket Kit. So these are going to be a really simple install. If you're looking for something that gives you a little bit of directional steering, something a little bit new for us Nissan guys, this is going to be the perfect product for you. There's several different lens options that are available. So you can run flood lenses, wide lenses, spots, combos, whatever you'd like, all for different purposes. If you want something that you can see down the trail with your steering inputs, go for those spots or those combos. If you're looking for a little bit extra light up front, directly in front of the tires, maybe for someone that's going to be spotting you at night, go ahead and get those wide or flood lenses. So how is this going to install? It's super easy. All this is going to come with is it's going to come with the brackets, it's going to come with the lights in the box, and two harnesses, one for each side. And all you're going to do is take your light, assemble it onto your bracket, and then remove the nut that sits on top of your spindle that attaches your steering link to your spindle. This is going to sit right on top of there, replace the nut, and wire it, and you're good to go. You can even run the wiring directly along with your ABS line, so there's no guesswork on how long the line needs to be. It'll follow right alongside it, easy wiring, and then connect it to your light controller of choice. Included are these two 4-meter wiring harnesses. These are just included with the kit. They're going to be just the right length so that you can run both of these. Obviously, one's going to need trimming depending on where your light controller is, unless you have it mounted right on top of your engine. Then they'll both be the same length. But either way, they're plug and play basically. So they have these nice DT connectors that'll plug directly into the back of these Morimoto 1Bangers. So just like so, they'll plug right in and makes it really easy to wire up and get started. If you guys are interested in getting a set for your truck, go ahead and pick them up at z1offroad.com today.